Which book should we do today? Let's do a traditional countdown rhyme. حدرة بدرة خلي عمي يعد للعشرة 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yay! Amazing! We're doing the Anna book today. It's one of my favorites. Did you like my rhyme? It's a traditional rhyme, and I think everybody does it differently based on regions. We actually used to say Hadara Babagha, which is a cow. Isn't that funny? How do you guys say it in your region? Let us know in the comments. Okay, so we're doing Ana. Ana is a sight word that means I or me. It is used as the first person singular pronoun. For example, أنا أحب القهوة. I love coffee. In this book, we're using it with daily tasks. My amazing student is going to read the book for us today. Let's dive right in.
أنا أستيقظ.
أنا أستيقظ. Good job.
أنا أنظف أسناني.
أنا أنظف أسناني. Great work.
أنا أركض.
أنا أركض. Good job.
أنا ألعب.
أنا ألعب. Amazing work.
أنا أسبح.
أنا أسبح. Good job.
أنا أكتب.
أنا أكتب. Great work.
أنا أشرب.
أنا أشرب. Amazing work.
أنا أطبخ.
أنا أطبخ. Great job.
أنا آكل.
Good job. أنا آكل.
أنا أكنس.
أنا أكنس. Amazing work. Good job. You did amazing today. Did you like this book?
Yes.
You want to read it again sometime?
Yes.
Amazing. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.